The establishment of the League of Nations. Establishment at the Paris Peace Conference in 1919, Wilson, Cecil, and the summits all put forward their draft proposal. After the lengthy negotiation between the delegates, the Hurst-Miller draft was finally produced as a basis for the covenant. After more negotiation and the compromises, the delegates finally approved of the proposal to create the League of Nations. On 25th January 1919, the final covenant of the League of Nations was adopted by a special commission, and the League was established by the Part 1 of the Treaty of the Versailles. On 28th June 1999, 44 states signed the covenant, including 31 states which had taken part in the war on the side of the Triple Entente or joined it during the conflicts. French women's rights advocates invited international feminists and participate in a parallel conference to the Paris Conference in the hopes that they could gain permission to participate in the official conferences. The Inter-Allied Women Conference asked to be allowed to submit suggestions to the peace negotiation and the commissions, and were granted this right to sit and commissions dealing specifically with the women and the children. They though they asked for the enforcement and fully legal protection under the law equal with the men, and those rights were ignored. Women won the rights to serve in all capacities, including as staff and delegates in the League of Nations organization. They also won a declaration that the member nations should prevent trafficking of women and children and should equally support human conditions for children, women, and men. Labours at the Zurich Peace Conference held between the 17 to 19 May 1999. The women of the WILF condemned the terms of the Treaty of the Versailles for both its punitivity and measures as well as its failure to the provided for League of the Nation, and Catherine Marshall of the British suffrage discovered that the guidelines were completely undemocratic and they were modified based on her suggestions. The league would made up of a General Assembly, an Executive Council, and a permanent secretariat, and member states were expected to respect and preserve as against external aggressions the territorial integrity of the other members, and to disarm to the lowest point consistent with the domestic safety. All states were required to submit compliments for the arbitration of the or judiciary inquiry before going to the war, and the Execution Council, which create a permanent court of the international justice to make judgment on the disputes. In 1924, the headquarters of the League was named Palais Wilson after former U.S. President Woodrow Wilson, who was credited in the memorial outside the building as the founder of the League of Nations. Despite Wilson's efforts to establish and promote the League, for which he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the October 1999, and despite the Wilson efforts to establish and promote the League, for which he was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in the October 1919, the United States never joined Senate. Republic led Henry Cabot and Lodge wanted a league with the reservation that only Congress could take the U.S. into war. Lodge gained a majority of the senators. Wilson refused to allow a compromise, and needed a two-thirds majority was lacking. The League held its first council meeting in the Paris on 16 January 1920, 6 days after the Versailles Treaty, and the Covenant of the League of Nations come into force on 1st November 1920. The headquarters of the League was moved from London to Geneva, where the first General Assembly was held on 15 November 1920. The Palais Wilson on the Geneva Western Lakeshore, named after his U.S. President Woodrow Wilson, in recognition of its efforts toward the establishment of the League, and was League's first permanent home.